Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix camera not working on Facebook Messenger call on your Android device. The first thing that I would recommend you do is go into your Play Store, and from here you want to search for Messenger, as a lot of the time the thing that the app needs to do is update. But if when you go into your Play Store, as you can see I did, the app doesn't need updating, what you'll need to do is close out of Google Play Store and go into Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Apps. After you have selected Apps, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to type in Messenger and you're going to select Messenger. Once you have selected Messenger, you're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to tap on Storage. And from here, you're going to tap on Clear Data. And after you have done that, you're also going to select Force Stop right here. And you want to go into Permissions. And once in Permissions, you want to ensure that the camera has access, so you'll tap on Camera. And you want to ensure that it is set just like what you will see on the screen right here. Allow only while using the app. And then you will scroll down and you want to tap on Files and Media. And you want to ensure that it is selected Allow Access to Media Only. And you would also select Microphone and ensure that it is on Allow Only while using the app. And once you have done that, you're going to close out of that, and then you're going to turn off your phone and turn it on again. And that normally does the trick, and I hope it works for you. If it does or it doesn't, let me know in the comment section, and thank you very much for watching.